we are lost finding our accommodation for a sweet lover driver, photographer. Hello.
Hello.
Are we still gonna make it?
Yes, we are.
Yes. Are you afraid?
No, I love it when we get lost.
Yes, and these are the
Basta may
group.
gas.
Hello. Afraid? They're afraid of what's gonna happen. They're inaayos pa ang daan. We do not actually know what's out there. So we're gonna see later. I don't know why. Anong masasabi nyo? Kasi ito ay pabundok.
You have to give them clearance.
Steep itong lugar na to. Madilim. This is an adventure. Medyo. It's almost 9 o'clock. We finally found. Yes, nature's. Hello, good morning. Here we are in San Fernando, La Union at Nature's Healing Home. Look how beautiful this place is. Yan, that's where we're staying. There's another kubo or nipa hut there. And look at this place. Ayun, banda doon nakapark ang aming kotse. So naglakad pa kami ng konti bago makarating dito. There's Juan and John having breakfast. Hello, good morning.
Hi.
Julia and Rafael are still sleeping. Dito sila sa loob ng bahay kubo. There and there. Tulog pa sila. Hindi natin i-istorbo. If you like nature, this is a good place. Nahanap ko lang din ito sa isang travel site. So nagandahan kasi ako dito sa kubo at saka yun nga pwede kang mag-tent. Ayan, nagandahan ako sa kubo nila. Dadalawa pa lang po ang kubo kasi they just started in December. If you're also into yoga at you're practicing vegetarian, maganda rin itong lugar na to para sa mga gustong to have a relationship with nature. Kung maarte ka at hindi mo kakayanin ang buhay na simple, mahihirapan ka. Like this is a smaller nipa, yun, laman na walang aircon, electric fan lang, pero actually malamig. This is the inside of the hut that we stayed on. Ayan o, Julia, smile! Ayan, tas ito lang din siya, maliit lang talaga, ayan. This is actually good for 3 days pero nagkasya naman kami 5 yon, tiyaga lang. Daddy slept here, Elle slept there, Julia, Juan and I slept here. Electric fan naman silang provided, so this is it. Okay, this is for the adventurous spirit, yung mga katulad namin. And we borrowed also their electric kettle. Yan. Yan, kung gusto nyo, ito yung mapagsustayan nyo. After years of not doing yoga, here I am in Nature's Healing Home with Pressy. Hello, Press.
Hi, how are you, everybody? Satnam.
Pressy is the owner of Nature's Healing Home, at I know for a fact that nature brought me here to commune with myself and nature. Kaya today we'll be doing yoga. This is called
Dan Yoga. It's actually a Korean, originally from Korea, and Dan means it's a vital energy. So it's a combination of the original yoga from India and martial arts.
Okay, so first time ko to. Yung ibang yoga, nasubukan ko na. So Dan Yoga, first time. Yan, susubukan ko yan. Sana kayanin ko. Come on, Wancho is gonna join us also. Sige, see you later. And I just finished joining the yoga here in Nature's Healing Home. At ito ay kakaibang yoga. This is Dan Yoga. Did you like it, baby?
Yes.
Yes! Having breakfast. Oh, diba? This is
Banana with
banana. This is nilaga. And this is
organic papaya.
organic papaya.
Garden.
And we're having
And this
pancakes. Sarap niya, no? And we're having coffee, syempre. This is cassava. They made it from scratch, no?
Yeah. It's
Sarap niyan.
from the cassava.
So you have
we
your
grind it.
cassava plant.
So yung bininta na namin yung
At Nature's Healing Home, we're giving our children the experience like mango picking. Kahit pa kami doon farther at maghahanap kami ng mangga. Turn, Kuya and Julia.
My turn again.
This Ate's turn. Kalamay. Ayan, masarap yan. This is not the kalamay that we know, ah. Hindi ito yung kakanin. Ito yung fruits na kalamay.
Ano ba yung pag ginagawa ni kakanin?
Kakanin is kalamay also, eh, di ba? Rice, parang rice. Kaya nagulat ako kung ano yung kalamay. It's different. We're picking, yes.
I'm ready for the rain.
There's Miss Pressy with... Hello, baby.
Hi, Zina. This is Zina. This is my baby, Zina. My very first baby. I have 4, but this is my...
Guys is always mabait with dogs. Ayan. Having a talk with... Neo ba to? Si Neo? There's Neo. And there's Tess. Magkukuk ng... Ano bang kukuk natin, Tess? Langka. Yan. Masarap na tanghalian. Is ano... Playing with Neo. Neo is the baby of Miss Pressy. Yan, oh. Neo, bye-bye. Bye, Neo. Oh, you know what's good about traveling is you meet people. Hello! And please introduce yourselves.
I'm Anne. I'm Charlie. I'm Dylan.
And
Nani.
and they are sisters. Ano yung apelyido nyo? Anong kayong mga dalaga pa?
Pias.
O, kita mo, taga Baguio, ma'am, no?
And we saw the road. Pias Road.
May road kayo dito?
Yes, you can see
Oh, yeah, man. So, ma'am, how did you find out about Nature's Healing Home?
Through booking, internet, yeah.
Booking.com also?
Yeah, booking.com.
Same here, same here. So, how is it? Do you like the place?
Of course.
Are you going back?
Yes.
Recommending it to friends and
Yes.
family? Ayun, di ba? So, sabi ko sa inyo, ang ganda dito, di ba? First time. Kayo din?
First time.
Ayan, kaya i-try nyo. Maganda, di ba?
Ah, sure.
Maganda, mura pa, no?
Yes.
Tsaka kakaiba, right? So, we'll see you in my blog,
Okay.
www.occasionsofjoy.com. Yan, that's Baksil Monument. This is where you're gonna stop. Turn left pala, yan. There's a major construction, kaya ayun. Ang ingat. There's a road construction here. Kaya mas maganda talaga na pupunta kayo dito ng maaga. Ayan, oh. Okay? Walang bantay doon. Okay.
Cigarette break.
Yan.
Stick you think.